Turn into the Kemp Channel fishing bridge. I'm getting ahead of myself here. This is the Kemp Channel fishing bridge. This is the parking area. I'll show you the rules, just so you know the rules. There is no trailers allowed and no RVs allowed. So you can come down here and fish all you want. You can't camp here. No trailers or RVs or oversized vehicles. We're at mile marker 23 in the Florida Keys. There's plenty of parking here. It's reasonably good fishing. You gotta catch the tide right. I see we got an iguana crossing the road up there. Take a nice little leisurely tour here. Then I gotta get a drink of water. I'll show you the northbound sign. Right now I'm headed towards Key West. This is the northbound sign up here. You might have noticed before I did some drone flying here. Summerland Key is what that sign says. And Summerland Key is this way. The way I'm not going. Okay. See how herky-jerky my video is. Because I just went over some bumps. Okay. I'm continuing on. Nobody's fishing today, and it's a wonderful day. The tide even looks right. We're gonna film another fishing bridge a few miles down the road. This one's at mile marker 23 and it's called Kemp Channel, like Kemp seaweed. Right here is the channel, and if there was any boats coming, I'd film them for you. This is the view you get. Right over there where that tall flagpole that you probably can't see is a place called Venture Out. You can rent a place in there daily, weekly, monthly. At mile marker 23, it's called Venture Out. And you go there, waterfrontkeys.com. I'll show you you don't want to park over here, although people do. It's kind of hard to get in here and out of here quickly with all the Keys traffic. There is says Kemp Channel right there. Like I said, you can park over here, but you gotta get off the road and get in some gravel. Anyhow, that concludes my tour of the Kemp Channel fishing bridge. I'll be on later with the Bow Channel fishing bridge. We're in the fantastic Florida Keys, and we're approaching the Bow Channel fishing bridge. And it doesn't have as great of a parking area as some of these fishing bridges, but it does got some of the better fishing. I just wanted to show you how miserable the parking was over here. So we're on the bike path, which is no big deal. And this is Highway 1 next to me, US 1, Overseas Highway. We're on the Overseas Heritage Trail. Howdy. Pretty good fishing on this bridge. And if you need a place to stay, there's a KOA resort right there. There's also a marina right there, so I would guess they probably got some kind of bait for sale, but bait ain't a problem down here. There's a bait store every island and then some. Okay.
Fishing line. You can pick it off the wire. There's more there that's in black pearl.
Yeah. Bridge fishing. I don't know if they had a fish or what. There's the KOA. It's where you can camp. Yep, I gotta get a drink. I'm gonna show them the other parking area and where we're at, and then I'm gonna kill the video. So we just crossed onto Sugarloaf Key, and here's the other halfway miserable parking area. We're right at mile marker 20. Gotta kinda make room to get in here. And as you can see, the sign says Bow Channel. And it's right by the southernmost KOA. I gotta get me a drink. KOA has a lot of activities. If you're looking for something to do, they rent boats. I don't know what else. Paddle boards probably, because I see somebody paddle boarding way over there. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed my video. I filmed 2 bridges today. Okay, one last trip over the fishing bridge. We're at mile 20 on Sugarloaf Key. We're heading towards the Bow Channel fishing bridge. I just came from here a minute ago because I did a tour of the KOA. Oh geez, I got a telephone call. Oh boy. I think I'll call him back. Bow Channel. Okay, I'm gonna turn right. There's all the people at the beach. All the people at the beach. That's the southernmost KOA. I don't know how good you can see. I got some good drone video here. I should have brought it today. Look at all the people. I gotta go down here and make a phone call. I just got called. But anyhow, there's our fishing bridge at the Sugarloaf Key West KOA holiday. See what's up with the telephone. Have a good day. Okay, one last trip across the fishing bridge. This is the Bow Channel Bridge. I'm sorry, I keep getting that backwards. Kemp Channel, K-E-M-P, Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. I was going off-road. We're at mile marker 23, Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. Oh, here comes a pontooner, popping a wheelie. Wow. There he goes. Missed him by a couple seconds. Yep, got a bird. This is the channel here. Missed that guy by a little bit. What is that? Turkey buzzard? Looks like a hawk, kinda. Cruise America. Okay. Off in the distance to the right is Summerland Key. We're coming up on mile marker 24. But this is definitely the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge. It has parking on the west side or south side, whatever you want to call it. But over here it's got a nice parking lot. On the Summerland Key side, there's a nice parking area. On the Cudjoe Key side, it's kind of a congested gravel parking area. The only thing you don't want to do here, don't bring an RV or an oversized vehicle. Because they're not allowed. No trailers neither. Do not bring a trailer. And don't camp here. No overnighting, unless you're fishing all night, I guess. Okay, that's it for the Kemp Channel Bridge. We're back on Summerland Key.